equal to work done plus we can write work done plus initial kinetic energy. So at the stage this is very important in the formula. This is called work energy theorem. This equation, this is called work energy theorem. Work energy. So work energy theorem, this is important tool to solve the equations. So next we are going to see what is the work done by gravitational force. So work done by gravitational force. So what is the work done by gravitational force? Suppose if I toss a ball or toss a coin in upward direction, initial velocity v naught, so the coin is moving upward up to this in the level. So work is done on the particle by the gravitational force. So gravitational force is acting downward, the displacement is acting upward, the initial velocity is in the v naught. So what is the work done? So F W is equal to work done, W is equal to mg cos theta. So we have already known. So m is the mass of the object, g is the gravitational T2 gravitational. So cos theta is equal to the angle between the force and the displacement. This is the work done by the gravitational force. So when the object is moving, here the kinetic energy is at the initial point. If I am giving the initial velocity v naught, kinetic energy is full. So kinetic energy is in the full. If I toss, because the T2 the gravitational force, kinetic energy is in the work is done on the particle, kinetic energy is in the decrease. So up to this level, so velocity becomes 0. So the kinetic energies will be reduced. So at this point the kinetic will be energies reduced, and the object is on the moving here from lower to upward. The same particle is moving from highest point to lowest point. The particle is moving from the at a certain particular height h, particle is moving downward. So gravitational force is acting also in the downward direction, displacement also downward direction. So the both angle theta is equal to 0 degree. So if the fourth W is equal to mg cos, so same 0, cos 0. So because both is acting on the downward direction, so W is equal to mg cos theta, sorry, the minus mg cos theta, because the force is acting always downward direction. The work done by the gravitational force W is equal to minus mg cos theta. The same particle acting downward direction, moving downward direction, theta is 0. The particle is moving upward direction, theta is equal to 180 degree. W is equal to minus mg cos 180 degree. So what is the work done? Work done W is equal to minus mg cos 180. What is the value of cos 180? Minus 1. So work done W is equal to minus mg cos minus 1 mgd, sorry, mgd. So the displacement d, so d, so W is equal to mgd plus mgd. So this is the work done by gravitational force. Now we are going to see work done by external force, applied force when the object is in the lifting, and work done by applied force when the object is in the lowering. So work done by applied force when the object is lowering or lifting. So what is the work done by applied force and lowering when the force is applied? So we have already known. So this is the particle. The same logic I am going to use. For example, if I know what is the work done, so one particle is there, so I am giving to applied force. I am going to lift the particle up to the height h. So I am lift the particle up to the h. So applied force is acting upward, gravitational force is downward. Okay. So we have already known what is the kinetic energy theorem. Change in final kinetic minus initial kinetic energy is equal to work done. Done means a total force. So what is the total force? Is equal to work done by applied force plus work done by gravitational force. Is equal to change in kinetic energy. So for change in kinetic energy, initial kinetic energy is equal to final kinetic energy, we can say WA is equal to minus WG. So applied force, work done by applied force is equal to negative sign of work done by the gravitational force. The same logic when we apply when the object is on the lowering. When the object is on the lowering downward direction, so fourth acting downward direction, the same formula we are going to apply. So work done by applied force equal to minus work done by a gravitational force. So this is the important concept we are going to use to solve the problems.